See all the hail in the grasses? See some big ones in the flower bed. And my truck got jacked. Looks like the hail's over now. It's just going to flood a little bit. You can see in the street.